Hello guys, welcome to Tech, and today we will be reviewing another product from Banggood.com. Before that, Banggood.com is now offering cash on delivery here in the Philippines. You can now shop your favorite gaming peripherals without any hassle. Banggood is also kind enough to provide us with a discount code which is on your screen, so make sure to click the links in the description and use our discount code to get an extra 10% discount on all of their products aside from the discount code on the Gamakay K87 mechanical gaming keyboard, which is the product we will be reviewing on this video. So back to our Gamakay or Womier K87 mechanical gaming keyboard. You can buy this keyboard for around 3,200 pesos by either using our discount code or if you buy them now along with their 18% discount flash sale on Banggood. For the packaging, we have the typical brown box, of course, with some details of the keyboard at the front and the back. Inside the box, we have the user manual, the keyboard itself wrapped in a plastic. We also have a brush, keycap puller, and a switch puller, and lastly, the 1.8-meter Type-C USB keyboard. Gamakay K87 mechanical gaming keyboard features a plexiglass body with 6 lighting effects and 16 million colors. The one I have here is the black Gateron switch, but there are other options like blue, brown, red, and yellow switch. This keyboard is a 10 keyless layout and features 100% ANSI standard. Unfortunately, this keyboard doesn't have any software, so everything will be controlled via FN function combination keys. For the build quality, the body is made of 3 layers of matte plastic which is made from plexiglass. All 3 layers of the plexiglass is held by screws at the back of the keyboard. The body of the keyboard is quite sturdy and won't bend easily. The overall weight of this keyboard is around 799 grams, which is pretty optimal if you want to bring this on your office or LAN party. The Type-C USB slot is located at the right side of the keyboard. However, I think it will be a much better choice if it is on the left side of the keyboard or probably in the middle. The Type-C USB cable also comes in white color, and unfortunately it's not a braided cable. There are also 4 rubber feet at the back of the keyboard to provide a little angle to the keyboard. For the switch, we have the Gateron Black version of the Gamakay K81, and as you know, Gateron Black switches are linear switches with 4mm of travel time, has a strong rebound, and requires 60 grams of actuation force, meaning you need to press the keys a bit more when typing or gaming. I also noticed that the stabilizers and switches of this keyboard is a bit wobbly, probably due to the plastic body of the switch. The Gamakay K87 is a hot swappable keyboard, and what's interesting is that the PCB supports a 5-pin switches, so you can replace the current 3-pin black switches with a high-end mechanical switches if you want to upgrade your keyboard in the future. And because the switches are plastic, it's really easy to remove the current switches. However, you need to pick a switch with a transparent body to avoid blocking the LED lights of the keyboard. The keycap has a matte texture finish which is pretty nice and made from ABS double shot, which will provide a better durability. For the font, it is not gamery but it's quite common on most gaming keyboards, and since the double shot material is translucent, you can easily see the RGB lights passing through the letters. Before we proceed on the gaming experience for this keyboard, let's check out the sound test of the Gamakay K87 featuring the Gateron Black switch. For the RGB, it's really straightforward. You can control the bottom lighting by pressing FN plus control. And for the upper lighting, which is the lighting for the keys, you can customize the lighting mode by pressing FN plus the navigation keys, which is the home, insert, delete, and page up and page down. You can also control the speed of the lighting by pressing FN plus left and right arrow key and FN plus up and down arrow key for the brightness. As per the performance of this keyboard, it's really responsive, no lag or delays while pressing any keys, and NKRO is also present. Gateron block switches are linear and silent switches, so if you don't like noisy keyboards, this one is for you. For typing, I can say that it's really a great option if you want to use this solely for productivity, but I suggest you can either go for red or yellow switches for a lighter key press. In gaming, Gamakay K87 performs really well and it's comfortable to use, especially that it is paired with a Gateron block switches, which is one of the best options for gaming. The Gamakay K87 is highly recommended for gamers. Overall, if you want to have an RGB TKL gaming keyboard without compromising the performance, quality, and price, you can consider Gamakay K87. And since transparent body cases of keyboards like this may cost a hefty price, I think for $60 plus or around 3,000 pesos, this keyboard is really a solid deal including the discount code Banggood is offering. There are some issues I think on this keyboard, but mostly it is based on my personal preference. Probably adding more height on the rubber feet may reduce the strain on the wrist part of the user because it has a less angled height compared to other keyboards. And putting the USB Type-C slot on the left side might be a good option, especially for a better cable management. But all in all, in terms of the quality, performance, and price, this keyboard is really a great option not only for RGB lovers but for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts. So let me know what you think about this keyboard, and if you have some questions, just comment down below and I will try to answer that. Also, make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you like this video, and don't forget to check out the discount code and the link in the description below if you want to buy this keyboard. And as always, happy gaming!